backs up original data for cloning, repair, or diagnostics on VW Group 7-speed dry dual-clutch transmissions. Performing this off-vehicle prevents electrical damage and ensures stability. Let's begin. You need 4 items: the Multi-Prog programmer, the GODIAG GT107 plus DSG adapter, the GODIAG G-V ECU cable, and a 12-volt power supply. Optionally, an 8-in-1 gearbox cable may be used for alternative pinouts. Start by connecting the Multi-Prog to your PC via USB. Then attach the G-V cable between the programmer and the GT107 Plus adapter. Next, connect the adapter's jumper harness directly to the DQ200 TCU board. Finally, apply external power to the Multi-Prog. Confirm the power LED lights up green. Launch the Multi-Prog software on your computer. In the search bar, type DQ200. From the results, carefully select the correct entry for the G2 version. Look for VAG_TEMIC_DQ200-MQB under Audi A3 or TEMIC DQ200 G2 TC1784, depending on your software version. Choosing the wrong variant will cause communication failure. Double-check your TCU's label if unsure. Once selected, click Connect. The software will now attempt communication. Watch the GT107 Plus adapter. Its indicator should flash, confirming data activity. The screen will show the TCU's status and hardware ID. A green check mark means you are connected and ready. Now click Read EEPROM. This takes about 15 seconds. When complete, save the file with a clear name like DQ200_G2_EEPROM_backup to a secure folder on your computer. Next, click Read INT Flash to back up the main firmware. This process takes around 25 seconds. Do not disconnect any cables during the read. Once finished, save the second file with a distinct name such as DQ200_G2_flash_backup. Both EEPROM and flash data are now securely stored on your PC. This backup is your safety net for any future cloning or recovery work. To finish, exit the software, disconnect the power supply, and carefully remove all cables. Handle the TCU board with care to avoid static damage. You have successfully read the DQ200 G2 module. Proper preparation prevents problems, and you've just completed the most critical step. Good luck with your project.